Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find on one of the pages the screen recording toggle. It might be on the second page or a third one. Now, for me, it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window letting you choose what kind of audio you will record. By default, it is disabled. And if you enable it, by default, it will record the device's audio. But on the drop-down, you have the option to also record a microphone or both. Now, when using both, I would recommend using headphones, as it might create an unwanted echo effect. And then below that, we have Show Touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. Now, I'm gonna just select Start. This will begin a 3-second countdown, and with an obnoxious notification, it will begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. And you can also open up most of the applications, and they should also be recorded. So let's open up Edge. Anyway. So once you're done recording, let's pull down our notifications again, and here you'll find the red notification with a stop option. Click on it, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. Now, going back to what I was saying that will allow you to record most applications, that's because Screen Recorder can be blocked as a security feature. So, as an example, Netflix is one of those applications. Now, the recorded video will be under the movies, just FYI, and albums. So, Netflix can block screen recorders, and also bank applications can do that. As if you download some kind of malicious application that just kind of records your passwords and all that stuff, obviously you can imagine how that would be a threat to security to you. But with this Android feature, this kind of thing is blocked. An application can implement that into their code. And unfortunately, there is no way for you to disable this. So if you find an application that uses it and you want to record something or capture a screenshot, you just simply can't. And there's no work around it, as it is kind of baked into Android, and the option isn't there for you to do anything about it, which is a scummy way, considering Netflix, as an example, uses it. And I don't have any kind of reason to record Netflix, to be honest. If I want to pirate shows, I'll do it in better ways than record it. But it's annoying if you even want to capture a screenshot and you get the pop-up down somewhere at the bottom when you're trying to capture a screenshot that you can't do that, or when you record a screen recording and you end up with fully black screen. Now, this also happens whenever you record content. So you might not be logged into something like Netflix application. You might disagree with all the terms of service, reject any kind of pop-ups, and it will still do whatever it wants as it's part of the code, which is just BS, I would say. But in any case, hopefully this explained this kind of problem that you might have sometimes, and also showcased how you can record a screen on your phone. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.